My name is Mahesh Kumar and I am the business head HVAC and marketing for UP Twiga Fiberglass Limited. I have been working with this company since last 16 years and we manufacture fiberglass insulation for multiple segmentation. For example, transportation, we supply to DMRC, we supply to MMRDA, we supply to railways. Apart from that, we supply to a lot of different segments. For example, HVAC industry. HVAC, as we all know, that it is heating, ventilation, air conditioning and control. In that, we takes care of different temperature application. For example, in air conditioning, people come for us. They ask for the cold insulation. They need the temperature differential control. For that, we provide the fiberglass insulations, in which we have multiple products for HVAC industry, including flexible duct, glass insulation for duct thermal, glass insulation for acoustic application. Then we have another product called Acoustic Board, which is a new generation product and a very innovative product for the industry. It basically replaces all the customized and the previous historical system where a lot of people were using metal acoustic applications, for example, DG rooms, for example, AHED rooms and building insulations as well. So now we have come up with the innovative product called Twiga Acoustic Board, which is basically the replacement of all the conventional system. And with that, you have more and more energy savings. The acoustic properties are very well. The NRC properties and the STC properties are also well. And the best thing is that you need not to use any kind of a metal involved. Earlier what was happening, most of the area was taken by the metal, for which the reverberation sound was coming. And now, since the tiles have been launched by us, it is basically replacing whole metal system which was there as a conventional system. That's how it's all about the Twiga product. And we are also working towards the sustainability and the energy savings. For example, the raw material which we generally use is silica and sand, which is abundant in nature. So it gives you a lot of sustainable points when you're using it for the energy saving and for the green buildings. For example, we don't use any kind of a carbonic materials. Our all materials are readily available in the nature, and hence there are no carbons involved. You get a lot of points if you use the Twiga insulation products in the green buildings. We are the founder member in IGBC. We are also a part of Singapore Green Building Council, where we are supplying a lot of product. We are a major supplier in Singapore as well. So our products are well listed in multiple laboratories, multiple organizations, where a lot of green points. The fire sustainability part is also involved. As far as the we all know that how much it is important for the companies or the organization to have a products which is fire safe. So our products is basically BS, which is British standard, part 4, 5, 6 and 7. So when we talk about the fire standard, we need to understand what kind of emission is coming from the insulations in terms of fire safety. So we achieve the BS part 4, 5, 6 and 7, which is non-combustibility. Non-combustibility is basically your material is not catching fire at all. So being a sustainable development in the organization or in the industry, we need to go for products which are fire safe in nature, which doesn't catch fire, which doesn't emit the smoke as well, because most of the people die because of smoke. As I already mentioned that the products are environmental sustainable product because our raw materials come from silica and sand, which is abundant in nature. So what happens if you have products which are coming from the carbons, that gives you a lot of carbon emission while making the product as well as while supplying the product to the industry as well. So if your products are coming from sustainable raw materials, then your product has a lot of green points involved. We use silica and sand, so our products are absolutely green in nature, and that's how the products are very sustainable. See, we understand this point pretty well, because if you have a good car, if you don't have a good driver, end of the day, your product is going to be spoiled. So for that, we have an installation supervision team within our company, which provides a supervision to various sites across India. Wherever people are installing the product, either they give us the call or they send us an email for help regarding the installation of the product. So we regularly, train a lot of different companies. For example, Blue Star, Voltas, they have subcontractor teams who install the product. So there we provide regular trainings to them, and we ensure that the product installation is proper at sites. See, we are a true believer that the product should be sustainable in nature, and the product, because we know that how much environmental changes are happening nowadays. So the product which are coming should be sustainable in nature, and it should be fire safe as well. So we produce the material which is sustainable in nature, and for that we also collaborated with the Gobain, who are the leading manufacturer of glass in the industry, and now we are also part of Gobain. We brought the technological patented technology from them from France, and the products which we are manufacturing in India is also similar technology which they are using in Europe. So we are bringing in international technology to give better solutions to Indian markets. We have two manufacturing facilities. One is in Secunderabad, UP, and second one is the Ambernath, Maharashtra. To add on, because India is a growing market, to cater all those markets, we are coming up with another plant, another technology with Gobain very soon, which will be in Secunderabad, UP itself. So you'll see that a lot of different segmentation will come with the fiberglass insulation very soon. Is made in India, as we manufacture it in India, but we know that to succeed and to grow, we need to have international tie-ups with us. International technology should be shared between the companies, and that's why we have shaken hands with the Gobain and bringing all the technology in India. And with that, we are going more towards the sustainability growth, as well as to wherever the insulation demand is increasing, because the India is growing. Nowadays residential market is also requiring insulation. A lot of thermal bridges have happened. So to cater that, we are coming up with another plant, and that is our future plan as well. See, HVAC is a growing market. Since the weather is also changing, we used to be in 40 degrees centigrade, and now things are moving towards 50 degrees centigrade. So the demand is, coming, and along with that particular demand, the product demands are also coming. So my basically outcome for this HVAC industry is that we need to be more proactive in terms of environmental friendly product, and to bring more and more international technology so that our country will go along with the product, and we should save the environment. See, there are a lot of new innovations are happening. For example, earlier in our industry, we used to use the GI metal ducting systems. So nowadays, a lot of systems are coming which are pre-insulated itself, which save a lot of energy as well in terms of transportation, in terms of manufacturing as well. For example, we brought the Spanish product in India. When we visit Spain and whole Europe, we saw that those people were not using the GI metal ducting in the HVAC industry, and they were using pre-insulated ducting system, which was saving the energy as well as the cost of the labor part, and then the whole system is self-made. You can do very easy installations at site. So we brought that in India, and in our new plant also we are going to manufacture that. So that will ease out the application, that will ease out the the labor constraint which we have it. So overall, the new generation products will come, and we are very happy to be in ACREX to showcase all those products.